everyone, my name is Priya Singh. I am a student of Siddharth Global Senior Secondary School. I study in class 8. Today is Father's Day. First of all, I wish a happy Father's Day to all lovely, amazing fathers in the world. So I am presenting a short video on Father's Day.
अकेले हम, अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग है तो फिर क्या हम। तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान।
I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम, तू शैतान।
You love me, Daddy.
तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान।
I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम, तू शैतान।
You love me, Daddy.
यूं तो है तू नन्हा सा, है मगर गुरु सबका। और इसी शरारत से
दिल जिगर में हूँ सबका।
कहने को है यूं तो हजार, कोई मगर तुझसा कहाँ। अकेले हम, अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग है तो फिर क्या हम। तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान।
I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम, तू शैतान।
You love me, Daddy. मेरी ज़मीन आसमां मेरे पापा, मैं हूँ जहाँ है वहाँ मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा। रूठूं जो मैं तुमसे, कितना डरते हो। रब की तरह जिद मेरी पूरी करते हो। एक शिकंज चेहरे पर सहना पाते हो। मेरे लिए किस्मत से भी अड़ जाते हो। मेरे पास कोई रुक आ ना सके, कोई धूप मुझे मुरझा ना सके। मेरा साया बन के चले मेरे पापा, मेरे मेरी ज़मीन आसमां मेरे पापा, मैं हूँ जहाँ है वहाँ मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा। तुम सांसों की सांस हो, की तरह जिद मेरी पूरी करते हो ना लगे कभी मुझको गिले मैं चांद कहूँ मुझे चांद मिले कैसे कैसे जादू करे मेरे बाबा मेरे बाबा मेरे बाबा मेरे बाबा एक शिकन चेहरे पर सहना पाते हो मेरे लिए किस्मत से भी लड़ जाते हो मेरे पास कोई दुख आ न सके कोई धूप मुझे मुरझा न सके मेरा साया बन के चले मेरे बाबा मेरे बाबा मेरे बाबा मेरे बाबा
Good morning to all present here. I would like to take an opportunity to share my views and feeling toward my beloved father who has always been a strong moral and physical support of my life. Because of his practically, I have always been able to take wise decisions during confusing situations. Due to my father, future thinking and a focused attitude, I was able to select the correct path of life and develop my career. My father has always stood by me as a guide, philosopher, and pillar during my through times, as he always believes that strong support leads to achievement and enhance positivity in life. I always believe the word family creates an atmosphere of unity, supports, and equality, but my father made me understand the most important part, which is love, which come from within. He always keep my expectations ahead without thinking about himself, which is sacrifices not all can go ahead with, and I consider him as the greatest family supporter due to his never ending love and passion for making me who I am. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. My name is Anushka and I'm from Siddhartha Global School. So, today my topic is Father's Day. First of all, very happy Father's Day to all the fathers. And now I'm going to express my feelings about my father. Well, being father is not easy, but when I see my father, I feel so happy because he have always been the most responsible and caring dad. The reason why I really love my dad is the most that there is at least one man in the world who will never hurt me. And thank you and have a nice day and happy Father's Day again to all the fathers. Thank you for giving me the precious time.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Anant Trivedi. I'm from Siddharth Global School from class 9th and from City Lucknow. I'm here presenting to you my views on Father's Day. This is aimed at educating people on role of a father who always believes in you, which is very important for all of us. A father may be described in various ways. He is a provider, the protector, the savior, and the creator, and everything you can think of somewhere. I have read Pope John stating that it is easier for a father to have children than for children to have a real father. Father's Day has been named so to remind everyone to find time to remember their father in whatever ways they can. This day is dedicated to giving the appreciation of care and love that fathers showers upon the children. Somebody rightly said that the greatest gift I have had ever came from God. I call him Dad. It is the time when we should understand how lucky we are to have a father. Now, I would like to end up my speech by limiting my words of appreciation. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kartike Gupta. I study in class 9B. Today I would be telling you one essay on Father's Day. Father's Day is a day out of the year when the kids give their fathers gifts and presents and the one great thing which is love. Father's Day means a lot to me because I can spend a whole 24 hours with my dad. My dad and I might go to the movies, we may play sports, we go to eat and we might do swimming or even stay at home watch TV. I am just happy I can spend as much time as possible with my father on the special day. Thank you and have a nice day.
बेटा पापा
अच्छा पापा आ रहा हूँ. पापा आप चेस खेलेंगे?
बस यही सब चलता रहता तुम लोग का. ये तो नहीं पापा आए हैं पानी पिलाएं.
ओके पापा ला रहा हूँ. लगता है पापा का मूड खराब है तो मैं ये लड्डू भी ले जाता हूँ.
ये क्या है?
पापा ये ले लीजिए.
ये क्या है?
आप हम लोगों के लिए इतनी मेहनत करते तो ये लड्डू ले लीजिए.
नहीं मेरा मूड नहीं लड्डू खाने का. तुम बस पानी दे दो हमको, पानी पी लेंगे हम.
प्लीज.
नहीं मूड नहीं है, रख दो जाओ.
ये मेरे हाथ से खा लीजिए.
खिलाओ, अच्छा खिलाओ.
हैप्पी फादर्स डे.
थैंक यू. ये लीजिए आप भी खाइए.
रिश्ता दिलों का तोड़े न टूटे, सांसों की डोरी बन के न छूटे. जाओगे कैसे तुम मुझको छोड़ के, जन्मों का नाता पल भर में तोड़ के, जन्मों का नाता पल भर में तोड़ के. अपनों से ऐसे कोई दूर जाता है, अपनों से ऐसे कोई दूर जाता है. देख के तुझको दिल को मेरे चैन आता है. देख के
Hello friends, my name is Shivansh Tiwari and I read in class 10th in Siddhartha Global School, which is in Lucknow. On the occasion of Father's Day, I am going to narrate a story of a little girl who always feared her father. Once there lived a little girl in United States along with her mother and grandmother. She always feared to talk to her father because for him her father was like a giant with big hands and red eyes. She doesn't had good relationships with her father because her father was almost out of house for 6 days and only on Sunday he rested at home. So her grandmother advised her and ordered her to go and talk to her father. But she always failed to maintain good relationships with her parents and doesn't spended any quality time with her parents. In her neighbor, Kezia always watched Mr. McDonald playing with her 6 children after coming home from work. So she felt little jealous and sad about her current situation. One day, her mother was very ill, so she was admitted in hospital. Kezia's grandmother was also with him. So Kezia was home alone with her father. Kezia was having a nightmare of a butcher coming towards him with her machete and passing an evil smile towards her. And on the night when her mother was ill and she was not at home, she again had the same nightmare. She was very afraid and she started crying. At that time, her father was sleeping, and when he heard the crying of her little daughter, he came to her daughter and allowed him to sleep with her for that night. At that time, Kezia realized that her father is very kind-hearted and was not as giant as she was thinking. This story is enough to give you a message for Father's Day. So happy Father's Day from my side and stay home, stay safe.
पापा थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर दिया तो बिगड़ गया। इधर हम भी हैं। मेरा हाथ